Let's break another update that we are getting to know, because in the water crisis, the AAP Netas expected to meet the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. The details that are now coming in as far as what it may include when it comes to the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, like Sanjay Singh, Saurabh Bhardwaj, and in some time from now, we're getting to know that the Aam Aadmi Party will also be briefing the media over possible the water crisis and the issues that it has been facing. Let me go across to Tetri now. Tetri, good morning. The Aam Aadmi Party briefing expected in some time, but are we actually looking at the delegation of Aam Aadmi Party leaders who are expected to visit the Delhi LG? Because the Delhi LG's office says they haven't received any invite or a letter for this delegation meeting.
Well, you see, the Delhi LG office yesterday only, in fact, these are the sources from where we are gathering the information, and in fact, Delhi LG also mentioned that yes, they did in fact receive a letter, but the letter was not given to the LG office, and in fact, he also in fact highlighted in this particular letter, he also highlighted that the letter that Aam Aadmi Party has given has nothing to do with Aam Aadmi Party solving the water crisis for the people of Delhi, but it is just to gain the media attraction, is what the LG house has said. And later on, he has also said that he is agreeing to meet, and in fact has given the time of 12:15 noon today, and has in fact called 10 members, 10 leaders of Aam Aadmi Party to meet to him at 12:15 noon today at LG office at Civil Lines. And now what we are expecting is that Aam Aadmi Party leaders will be going to meet the LG at 12:15. Before that, Saurabh Bhardwaj is going to hold a press conference, and certainly this press conference will be on the water crisis, the water war, in fact, if I would say, that is going on in between the national capital and Haryana as well. Remember that yesterday the BJP delegation met, the Delhi BJP delegation that included leaders like Virendra Sachdeva and Manoj Tiwari. These all the leaders.
So first, that means that the briefing will be happening, and thereafter we are expecting that is meeting likely to happen when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party top netas who will be calling on the Delhi Lieutenant Governor when it comes to the water crisis.